Good morning, everyone. It's Maureen.
And Rachel.
Right now it is 10:30 a.m. We are heading to the St. Louis Zoo. I'm actually back in town in St. Louis visiting family, and so me and Rachel linked up, and we're gonna do like a little Forest Park tour because it's been a really long time since I've been in Forest Park. I think the last time I went to the St. Louis Zoo was like 2010. So a lot has changed. I don't know what I'm in for, so this is gonna be really interesting. Right now we have the lovely Rachel at the wheel. So we'll hit you guys up when we get there. Later. Sorry. You're good.
Driving.
left the zoo a little while ago. We just finished having lunch at Panda Express, and right now we're headed to the St. Louis Science Center because I haven't been there 2 years, but I want to see what new stuff they have. And it's like, it'll be cold inside and I'm sweaty and gross,